All right, welcome back. Today we're making Vietnamese dumpling, and this is the starch that used for Vietnamese dumpling. So you got the starch, and now we're gonna add hot water into the starch. And the starch already pre-mixed with the ingredients you want, like salt, pepper, black pepper, or whatever you want in there. Usually just salt. And some of the ingredients you want to put in there. Good stuff. Now, after you add a little more water, and you're gonna make the starch like into bread. You're gonna play with the dough and get the dough. You're gonna pat the dough. You're gonna transform this starch into dough. And once it's formed into dough, you're just gonna tear a piece and then use a roller and roll it out into a little small dumplings. So this right here, it's called Bánh in Vietnamese. It's a Vietnamese dumpling. As you can see, here, just roll it out flat. Get a little ball and roll it out flat. You make maybe around 50-60 of those out of that size of a dough. Here, this is the veggie dumpling. Bánh bột lọc đậu xanh. So it's green beans. Not green bean. It's like a bean paste, basically. And that's the veggie. And the next one we're gonna be doing will be the meat, pork paste. That's the bean paste right there. So you get those little peel out already bean in a bag, and then you blend it and make it into the paste. And here next is the pork. So make the pork into the ingredients you like, whatever taste, and put a little piece that in there. We added water. You see, a dip water, and then it's easier to clamp. Making the dumpling together, pushing it down. And that's it. And once that's done, you boil it for 35 minutes. Steam it for 35 minutes, and you're good.